Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, but white must find the only winning move, otherwise this pawn would be a queen and black can get a draw or even a win. So be careful, choose your move wisely and pause the video and just guess the move. And if you can, let me know what is your guess, your first guess in the comment section. Good luck. Okay, the thing is, black's pawn is going downward in this direction and our pawn is going forward in this direction, and black's king is not in a good position. That is our advantage in this puzzle, so we have to exploit that properly. So that is what we are going to do, and the first move in this position you may probably play is king to e7, attacking the rook, right? So you are going to just, if black didn't careful, you are going to just to capture the rook, and you may probably trade checkmate on g8, but that doesn't work. The queen would just give you a check. Black queen will give you a check, and this is actually a draw. For that reason, king to e7 is not the correct move. The other good looking move is bishop to e8, and that looks good, but again black would just get a queen and you don't have follow-up, right? Black didn't play what you hoped to play, right? This may be a good chance for you to win by playing king to f7 on the next move, but black wouldn't take the bishop in this position. Black would just get a queen, and this is just another draw, right? In this position black even have a slight advantage to win the game. So all of these moves are candidate, but all of them don't work. Obviously we can't stop the pawn, right? It's out of view, right? We can't get in a position to stop the pawn from promoting, so that is another problem of the puzzle. And the first correct move is to play bishop to g8. This is actually a brilliant, right? So this is a brilliant because now the rook obviously has to take the bishop, because we are threatening checkmate on h7, right? So black can't make a queen here, otherwise we simply checkmate using our queen on h7, right? So that is the problem for black. And black, as I showed you, black may just play random moves, but this is going to be just checkmate. For that reason, after we play bishop to g8, black has to capture the bishop, right? So this is the tricky puzzle. Everything here is defended, right? So if you'd like to see this, the queen has like 6-7 squares to go to, including capturing the pawn and the bishop, but everything is defended, and this is so far the safest square for the queen. But that doesn't do anything. Black can get a queen, and black have get a queen already, and black will just start giving us check. So what do you think the best move in this position? Taking the rook? Is that the best move? No, taking the rook wouldn't lead you anywhere. You are stuck. You don't have one pawn which doesn't move. It's blocked by the opponent's pawn, and this is obviously not the solution or the correct move in that particular position. Actually, the correct move is to play king to f7. What are we doing now? We are threatening checkmate on g8, right? So again, black must take this, right? Black has to take that, otherwise we are going to deliver checkmate on g7 or g8. It doesn't really matter, right? So we do have a big threat for black. So after black just capture the queen, we capture with a pawn. And now you can see, even though black can get a queen first, we can give this check. The black king has to move to h7, and we can get a queen with check, so that is going to be just checkmate. So guys, this is the solution of the puzzle. For a recap purpose, first we are going to put the bishop on g8, threatening checkmate on h8. The king can't take it because it's defended, so the rook must take that, otherwise checkmate is inevitable if the rook didn't take. In this position we play king to f7, sacrificing another piece, forcing black to capture the queen, so that we can just capture and push and promote, and that would be just checkmate. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found this entertaining, make sure to subscribe the channel. I will upload similar chess puzzle videos like this every day, so you won't miss a single video. I'll see you next time. Bye.